touch, I could with just one touch, I could feel my.
Yo, what's up 2K gamers? Today I'm going to show you how to update your NBA 2K20. Quick, easy, and working in 2026. This mode includes HD Court, HD Player, and also updated roster. So the download link will be at the pinned comments, and before we start, I just want you to know that this APK has password, so watch video carefully. So make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, so let's begin the tutorial.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Staying up when I